Hi! In front of me is Thomson TO13P, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Now click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN, or password. Now you finally get to create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Last but not least, tap on one of those options to answer the question: how do you want lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want to see any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at All and tap on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!